Why does the passage cite the growth of the Roman civil service? Where do we have this reference? It is the second paragraph that refers to the Roman civil service and says that around this time, the Roman civil service began to grow and needed workers with specialized skills, and the resulting social environment fostered the growth of the new middle class, the knights. So we need an answer choice which relates to specialized skills and a new middle class. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, how common business terms originated. The second paragraph has a reference to common business terms and how they originated, but that is not in the context of the growth of the Roman civil services. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, why specialized skills were necessary. The second paragraph mentions that as the Roman civil services began to grow, they needed workers with specialized skills. However, the passage doesn't indicate why specialized skills were necessary. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, how economic progress caused the development of social classes. The passage mentions that as the new social class emerged, to serve the needs of the growing class, several businesses took place. So it can be inferred that economic progress is the result of the development of social classes and not the cause, as this answer choice indicates. So this answer choice commits the classic GMAT mistake of confusing cause and effect. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, why the knights came to dominate the market. The second paragraph mentions that the plebeians came to control the market. The knights emerged as an aftermath. So it is incorrect to state that the knights came to dominate the market. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, how the need for workers with specialized skills arose. Yes, this is what the passage mentions. The passage says that the Roman civil services began to grow and needed workers with specialized skills. So it can be inferred that the growth of the Roman civil service indicates how the need for workers with specialized skills arose. E is the correct answer.